today I'm going to be working with African Mall. They sent over a wig with a bang. Now it's been so long since I've actually worn a wig with a bang. It is, if you turn it inside out, a breathable cap. You have your adjustable straps in the back, and then no lace. Or actually, it's like a circle piece, like a round piece of lace. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's like the beard or the bib of the lace, and it's like lace in the middle. And then whenever you, which is actually pretty cool, and then when you come this way, you can see it has the lace feel to it. But I'm just taking that foundation powder and just kind of pressing it in there. I'm kind of going to pack it in there to try to get the best result, and then kind of like blend it out after the fact. But I kind of just feel like it's easier to do it now than to wait until I get the wig on, and then just blend it out. And the cap actually fits super snug all the way around. When you flip up the bang, this is what you see. So you definitely won't be able to switch it up. The bang is exactly what you get. So this is what that parting looks like. I kind of think it looks out of place. But I'm just going to take a rat tail comb and make sure that all the hair is sitting where it's supposed to. So there are definitely a lot of flyaways with this wig. So I'm going to use a little bit of foam lotion. I'm not sure how this is going to go because it's a black wig and I don't want it to look shiny. I just want it to look super flat. So the thing about a wig like this, it's not very dense. You guys can see it's super natural. I almost feel like it would be best suited as a bob, but I'm not going to cut it today. I'm going to keep it as is because I actually do like the length on it for now. But I did like half a pump of the Garnier, and I kind of just want to now curl it, but I kind of feel like if I curl it, it'll definitely show that it's not the thickest wig in the world. So I'm kind of going to cut a little bit of a layer. Then just stand the scissors up and kind of cut against the grain. You kind of want to chop it so that whenever you let it go, it doesn't look too blunt. And then the opposite side. I'm gonna give it a little something. Okay, so I'm back and my camera's dying, so I'll be back again. Okay, so I am back for real this time. Last time you guys seen me, I didn't have any makeup on, and now I kind of beat my face. I did use a different foundation. Well, actually I used a tinted moisturizer, and it's giving me more warm vibes, which is making my highlight look even more bright. I like a bright highlight, but I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and get a couple shades darker for the summer so that as my skin gets warmer from the sun being out, you know, everything will look good. But anyways, about the hair, you guys seen that I went ahead and made some layers in the hair and then kind of bumped it. Now I went ahead and re-straightened it and kind of pulled the bump out, just because I kind of felt like, because it is more of a lower density wig, it just kind of looked a little bit weird, and this looks much better. Now the only thing I will say is I definitely wish this hair was more full. This is a very natural density. So obviously the wig is straight. It holds the curl pretty well, but of course it just came straight. It's 20 inches in length, and they sent the color 1. You can also use the coupon code Danielle for a percentage off at checkout. Now I know you guys are familiar with this company because a lot of creators here on YouTube do review for this company, more specifically for their clothes and fashions and stuff like that. But they did reach out and want me to do a hair review because they sell hair as well. And I guess that goes with the name African Mall, which means they sell a little bit of everything. I like the way it came out. You guys know I review a ton of hair literally on a daily basis. So, you know, I like trying different things, and this is definitely different for me and what I'm used to at the moment. I tried to finesse it with the, what do you call it? The powder here, but I don't know if that helped or hurt. I'll have to take some pictures in natural daylight and then look and consider if I want to rub that out with a little bit of water, a little moisture, or repack it and make it look fuller, because sometimes you just need a little natural light to tell you what it is. Now the bang, I do like the fact that it came a little bit too long, only because not all of us have the same shaped face or head. So if you are, or your head circumference is different than mine, it may not be as long on you. So for example, if the bang came this length, there's a couple people out there who would purchase this wig and say the bang is too short because it comes like above the eyebrows on them, so to speak. So I am happy about that. It was no problem, you know, custom cutting it to my length. It also was a little bit more choppy, and I kind of liked it a little bit more uniform. It is not perfect as far as the length goes, and I did kind of break it up a little bit so it's not too blunt. But, you know, it's more my taste in the China bang. I absolutely think this will look great as in like an asymmetrical bob. I think that's what it's called. Where it'll be like, you know, neck length or something like right here, and then just kind of come super long. I think that would be super pretty. So let me know what you guys think, and if I should cut it or, you know, leave it straight. But that's pretty much it. I definitely made this one look amazing. They did give some free eyelashes. And they also gave me some wig caps. Now this is interesting. Back in the day, before lace wigs, all I used was black wig caps, because I think at the hair store I used to go to, that's all they had. I didn't even know they had brown, or I didn't know how to work with it. But to see black wig caps after so long is so like TBT, and today is Throwback Thursday anyways. But yeah, not sure if I showed you guys the packaging or not, but they do provide your wigs in a box like such. They did provide me with a bunch of different links to different options. So if this is not your taste, they definitely will have something for you. So don't forget to check out the link to this wig in the description bar. Also, everything that I used, as always, is listed in the description box as well. Thank you, African Mall, for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you are subscribed. If not, make sure you subscribe right now and hit that bell button. It would mean so much to me. I'm trying to get to 150,000 subscribers this month. So help your girl out. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.